Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add bank account to Webull. So this is really quick and easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course determine what kind of Webull that you're using, whether it's the app version, the desktop, or the web one. So for the app one, you will just have to tap the Webull logo to select your account, and then you will just have to click transfers and link a bank account and pick ACH and then real-time verification and search for your bank and enter your online banking information and confirm which account you would like to link. And next for the desktop one, click on account on the icons on the left and then you will select the deposit in the banking widget and this will guide you to the transfer money page on the web and select linked accounts on the left. Choose ACH and then real-time verification. For the last one, if you're using the web one, you will just have to navigate to the My Account at the top right of the page and then you will select link accounts on the left and then choose ACH and then real-time verification. And that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.